Unitechnik Automatisierung, a competent partner for electrical and automation engineering. In the fields of metallurgy, production automation, process engineering and service. Everything from a single source. Unitechnik's expertise covers the entire metallurgical chain, from charging of the blast furnaces to coating and packaging of the ribbons. For blast furnaces, we produce complete electrical equipment, including control technology for charging, caliper, sintering plants and dedusting. Since the founding of our company, close collaboration has developed with internationally renowned machinery and plant manufacturers. Thus, large-scale projects are implemented, like this pig iron desulfurization plant for the steel industry, and sold worldwide. For SMS Mewag, besides other degassing and steel coating plants, we designed and built this RH plant in Eisenhüttenstadt. At several industrial locations, our specialists developed and installed the electrical equipment and control technology for projects of ThyssenKrupp Industrial Solutions. In cooperation with the specialists from Ferrostahl Maintenance Eisenhüttenstadt, Unitechnik built this Tundish transporter. To ensure that the transporter could be put into operation within the short deadline set by the customer, we pre-assembled it and then put it through a full function test. Our company was entrusted with the engineering of various processes in the construction of this hot rolling mill for ArcelorMittal, including the control and programming of slab transport, the drum shears, the fully automated roll change, and the media supply. For many years now, we have also had the expertise needed for thermoprocessing equipment, for example, walking beam and block pusher furnaces, as well as for various continuous heat treatment lines. Our services include not only the construction of new plants, but also the modernization of existing production complexes, including, for instance, the complete renewal of this cold rolling mill, which was 25 years old when it was rebuilt. With Achenbach-Buschhütten, we built electrical equipment and measuring and control systems for aluminium foil rolling mills in the UK, India, and at more than 25 locations in China. A final rolled thickness of 5 microns is world-class. For AMAG in Austria, Unitechnik and its expertise were called upon for the complete modernization of a rolling mill more than 40 years old. In such cases, positioning control in particular is always an engineering challenge. In planning, customer-specific requirements always have top priority. In this stainless steel treatment plant for the Swedish metallurgical group Outokumpu, Unitechnik redesigned and built the complete input section. Because the deadline for on-site conversion was extremely short due to production demands, an integration test of all systems lasting several weeks had to be carried out in Eisenhüttenstadt. It involved wiring some 50 control cabinets with the corresponding control consoles to simulate operation. The testing also included acceptance by the Swedish end user. Thanks to the checking and trials done in Eisenhüttenstadt, the plant was put into operation in Sweden extremely quickly. We have in-depth experience in electronic process control and regulation of strip processing lines for non-ferrous metals. In this area, we've been cooperating worldwide with Otto Juncker for several years now. Our reference projects in the field of plastic coating also include various chem coaters and the control mechanisms for complete coating lines, including quality control. We installed lines of this type in Galvalange, Luxembourg, for example. Unitechnik also fully modernized the control and drive engineering of longitudinal and transverse slitting lines, including stretch-bend leveling lines. For Burkhardt and Schmidt, we supplied the PCS7-based technology for a new transverse slitting line. The highly dynamic vacuum stacker was technologically challenging. ThyssenKrupp commissioned us to retrofit a coil inspection line. On the basis of an in-depth risk analysis, the entire line was brought up to a level of safety in keeping with present-day standards. Even in weighing technology, data acquisition and analysis play an important role in both quality assurance and production. Besides coil scales, Unitechnik has the know-how for crane scales. Unitechnik, a name that's held in high regard on the global market. Since the founding of our company, our foreign customer base has grown continuously because Unitechnik of Eisenhüttenstadt offers convincing expertise. We stand for innovation, reliability and flexibility, a resourceful partner for our customers worldwide.